Hello, I'm in a Dodge 2000 Neon, and today I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So from the driver's side here, we'll go down and you should see this lever here. This lever you'll pull. That pop, if you could hear it, was the safety releasing that holds the hood shut. If there's no tension at all here, you might need to check behind this plastic to make sure all the cables are connected. If they're not, you might need to address that. But up front, you should see the hood slightly loose now. So you can fit your hand in here. But here there's a lever, so we're gonna push the lever and lift. So push and lift. And then there's gonna be this arm that you can lift up into here. Sorry for the camera work, but now this arm is holding the hood up. This is what that little lever looks like that was pushing. So double check that nothing's bent or broken, no debris and shit that needs cleaned up. If it's sticking quite a bit, you could spray some WD-40 to loosen it. That's where it's hooked onto. So again, make sure nothing's bent. Make sure your hood's in proper alignment as well, because if it's crooked, that could cause you issues. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.